Imagine having a personal researcher who works non-stop, sorts through the internet for you, and hands you clean, source-backed insights. Google just brought that to life with the latest update to NotebookLM, and it might change how you learn, work, and build ideas forever. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more fast breakdowns on AI tools shaping the future. Google has rolled out a new feature called Deep Research. Instead of you bouncing across tabs for hours, Deep Research creates a full research plan, browses the web for you, and delivers a detailed, source-grounded report in just minutes. It even recommends relevant articles, papers, and websites, so you always know where the information comes from. The powerful part is that Deep Research runs quietly in the background. You can keep adding sources, expanding your ideas, or building out your notebook while it works. The goal is simple: let you build a deep, organized knowledge base without ever leaving your workflow. Accessing it is easy. Start a search in the source panel, choose Web as your source, and pick your research style. Choose Deep Research when you want a full briefing with in-depth analysis, or pick Fast Research when you need a quick scan of the topic. Google is also adding support for more file types, which makes NotebookLM even more flexible. You can now upload Google Sheets, Drive files as URLs, PDFs straight from Drive, and even Microsoft Word documents. This means you can generate summaries from spreadsheets or quickly pull multiple Drive files into a project without downloading anything. These updates should reach every user within a week. And this expansion isn't coming out of nowhere. Since late 2023, Google has been building NotebookLM into a true AI research hub. They added video overviews so you can turn dense notes, PDFs, and images into clean visual explainers. They introduced audio overviews, which create AI-generated podcasts based on your documents. And in May, NotebookLM finally landed on Android and iOS, taking it beyond desktop and into your pocket. If you rely on research, content creation, strategy work, or any kind of deep thinking, NotebookLM is becoming one of the most practical AI tools available. And Deep Research might be its biggest leap yet. Make sure to check out the related video in the corner, and if you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which AI tools you want covered next.